Hello and welcome to You and You. Today we are continuing our marriage and money series with a very important topic, and that is navigating debt hand in hand. Okay, so let's jump right in because we are in the middle of our enlightening series, and this is just a special treat that we're going to get into today. So we're on part 3. And we want you to buckle up and get ready for this financial journey that promises to be as insightful as it is empowering. So stay tuned as I give you 3 tips on how to navigate debts hand in hand as a couple. Okay, so the first step to conquering debt as a couple is adopting transparent debt discussions. Yes, discussions. Talk to each other. It's essential to lay your financial cards on the table. This means being open about any of those existing debts and discussing them without judgment or blame, because it's the foundation of your shared financial journey. From here, you can address any financial challenges related to these debts. And consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or using online resources for help if that's necessary. But it's all about understanding the debt, knowing your options, and making informed decisions together. Now let's talk about managing and paying off these debts. It is crucial to tackle this as a team. Divide the responsibilities, set some clear goals, and create a timeline. Very important to know how long you're trying to take to do what you're trying to do. But remember, flexibility is the key. Life happens. We all know this stuff happening. You're like, can't pay that extra I want to pay on this month or that month. So life happens and plans may need to be tweaked a little bit or changed a little bit. But just ensure you're always communicating and making these adjustments together. Remember, a problem shared is a problem halved. It's cut in half if you're sharing it, right? So the weight is not so heavy just on one person. Now, if you're enjoying this information, don't forget to hit that bell, like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and educational info on managing your money and getting your budgets together. All right, we're going to move on to tip number 2. It's time to create a debt repayment plan. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road, so to speak. And first, you want to sit down together and make a list of all your debts, like everything, even that old jewelry store card, or you know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. Once you've got this down, it's time to choose your weapon. So we got 2 main strategies we're going to talk about. So first is the snowball method, where you start by paying off the smallest debt first, or the avalanche method, where you tackle the debt with the highest interest rate first. Each has its pros and cons, so it really depends on what works best for you as a couple. But remember, a plan is only as good as its implementation. So keep the lines of communication open, discuss your progress regularly, and make adjustments as needed. I cannot stress that enough. If there needs to be something adjusted, talk about it and adjust it and keep moving forward. This isn't a set it and forget it kind of thing, okay? It requires ongoing commitment from both parties. And with a solid plan in place, you're one step closer to financial freedom, which we all want financial freedom. And our final tip is all about building financial resilience. This isn't just about weathering the storm of debt, but about building a fortress, around a castle, you know what I mean? That can withstand any financial challenge that might try to come at you, come sideways. How do we do this though? It starts by creating a buffer against life's unexpected setbacks. And y'all know I love talking about this. This is where your emergency fund comes into play. Okay. So by setting aside some amount of cash, You can mitigate the impact of unforeseen expenses without sinking deeper into debt. But financial resilience extends beyond just having that safety net, that emergency fund. It's about your mindset. You must cultivate a mindset of money mastery. What is your relationship like with money? When you think of money, do you get stressed out and have anxiety? Or do you like, I'm good. I understand what my relationship is with money. So money mastery and developing long-term financial habits is what's going to really get you there. This means consistently saving, investing wisely, and living within your means. It's all about understanding that every financial decision that you make today has a ripple effect on your future. Yes, like the butterfly effect, the movie. Yeah. By embracing these principles, you're not just navigating debt as a couple, you're steering your financial ship towards a future, like a future of financial freedom and prosperity and abundance, and just you feel light. You're going to feel light, get into your goals, and really truly stick into these plans. So remember, resilience is not about just surviving this storm that come or that storm, but learning how to dance in the rain. Have you ever danced in the rain? If you have not, you should try that. It's very fun. I'm just saying. Okay. Anyway, and that wraps up our 3 tips on navigating debts hand in hand as a couple. Remember, transparency in debt discussions, creating a structured repayment plan, and building financial resilience are the keys. We appreciate your time. I hope that these tips are valuable. Please stay tuned to catch the next videos in this beautiful marriage and money series, and don't forget to like and subscribe, ring the bell, and join our community of money masters and budget bosses. And say it with me now: I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I'll see you later.